How to enable developer mode on Chromebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Enabling developer mode on Chromebook allows you to access deeper system settings, install Linux, and run unofficial apps. Remember that enabling developer mode will erase all local data on your Chromebook. So to do this, make sure you have backed up your data. Now you want to turn off your Chromebook completely. Press and hold escape plus refresh F3 keys and then tap the power button. Release all keys when you see the recovery mode screen. Now press Ctrl plus T to enter developer mode. When prompted, press enter to confirm. Your Chromebook will begin power washing and then enable developer mode. Wait for the process to finish. This may take up to 5 to 15 minutes. After rebooting, you'll see a screen that says OS verification is off. Press space to re-enable. Do not press space. Instead, press Ctrl plus T to continue booting. Once in developer mode, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open Crush. Type shell and press enter to access full Linux terminal. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.